Okay, in this question, there is a wall and a ladder, and this 13 feet ladder, so that length is just fixed and is leaning against the vertical wall, and we're pulling the foot of the ladder away from the wall. So this is nicely kind of placing, right, x and y. So let's say the foot of the ladder, the position of it is x, and that x is moving. So that ratio dx dt, how fast that x is moving, is 0.5, so half bit per second, and is away from that wall means x is increasing, so this number should be positive. And how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down, so that, let's say this length is y, then dy dt is changing, and that's what they are looking for. And when it happens is when the foot of the ladder is 5 feet, so when x equals 5 at that moment, right? So we need the relation between x and y to calculate it, and that is a right triangle, so it must be x squared plus y squared equals 13 squared, I think it's 169 or something like that. So from there, when you take the derivative on both sides with respect to time t, then it must be, looks like this way, and the right hand side becomes 0 when you take the derivative. Okay, then dx dt is 1/2. Okay, good. And dy dt is what we are looking for. Then we still need the numbers for x and y. X is given, it must be 5. Then the only remaining one is y, but when you look at it, if x is 5 and that hypotenuse of that right triangle is 13, then y must be 12, one of the famous Pythagorean triples, right? But if you want to calculate it, then y must be square root of 13 squared minus 5 squared, right? So please calculate it. I believe that is 12. So just substitute everything like that and move to the other way and like that. Now, one tiny little thing is after we calculate it, because y is shrinking down, right? So we are going to get dy dt is negative something, okay? Feet per second or something like that. But when the question is solved, is already asking how fast the top of the ladder sliding down. So it already giving us the direction, the orientation of the movement, right? So in that case, the meaning is they are just asking the speed of that the y. Okay? So they already treat that negative, right? When they say down in the question. So when you say it, when you answer the question, your answer should be positive. So just be careful. And so if they asking just how fast the top of the ladder is moving, okay, or something like that, then it's negative something or positive something with the direction together. But it's already pointing out it's sliding down, so then they only asking the speed of it. Okay? So it must be positive.